It's not in the standard of the caliber of Nnamdi Kanu. Let me tell you, if Kanu should be released today, not because of Benjamin Kalu. If Nnamdi Kanu is being released today, let me tell you, its reason, number one, is Trump winning election and Trump coming into power come 2025 in the month of January. That is the fear. You understand? The veteran, American US military veteran, have already sent a message, as I read, to Nigeria that they should free that man before December 25. That he have been there for like 4 years. He said the 50th year will not kill him. And he will not die. And he must not die. That is the truth. Nothing must happen to him. Nothing must happen to Nnamdi Kanu. Nothing must happen to him. He must not die. And nothing must happen to him. He will definitely come out alive. Anything good. That Biafran evangelist that always speak the truth. Let me speak something based on what this man have said, Benjamin Kalu, have said, being the deputy speaker of the House of Representatives, not the House of Senate. You say you are fighting tooth and nail for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Are you, which level did you have? Because you are a deputy speaker. Are you up to the standard of the men that have spoken to the Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu? You say you are fighting tooth and nail. You know, that word, if you say you are partnering with the people that are, you know, pushing it, I will admit that and I will accept that. But saying you are fighting tooth and nail, as if you have what it takes to free Kanu. You don't have what it takes. It's a representative, not even the yes, the House of Rep, House of Representative. Yes, not the registrator. So I know what I'm saying.
So you're saying, so what I'm trying to say, I doesn't have the level, he doesn't have the power,
he doesn't have the charisma,
doesn't have the connection.
Yes, based on his statement. Do you know what it means by saying, I am pushing so hard? Which level? Or you are pushing for your recognition. Maybe you are, maybe you have reached an agreement with the APC, with Nigerian government coming to take over Abia State because you are from Abia State. You know, if that is your mission to come and challenge OT, you will fail because OT have given us what we need. OT have proven to us that is a man of, because you are not man of the people. And let me tell you, because Nigeria doesn't want development in the southeast. And the OT has brought development, a new development in the southeast, which we have been part of what we have been pointing at, crying for. Are you getting it? Tell me the things that are not being in Anambra State that Soludo is bringing. Tell me, mention one. As I'm talking to you, Nigerian government is aware of what I'm saying. Senate knows what I'm saying. The military knows what I'm saying. Attorney General knows what I am saying. Even in the House of Rep, they knows what I am saying concerning Abia State. Today, currently, for over 24 years or more than, many people have ruled Abia State. Nothing happened. But as I'm talking to you, Abia have their own electricity to stand with. As the grid that has fallen, it does not affect Abia State because they have their own light. Anambra, Soludo, why can't you do your own? Let Anambra State have their own lights. It's a good development. Let us learn how to copy good things. Let us learn how to do good things. Let us know how to follow, to welcome good things and appreciate good things. Kanu Benjamin, you are coming to play a game that somebody said that the OT is trying to gain only self-praise. Say he didn't see how others have ruled Abia State. He came to a kind of to show himself, for him to for people to start singing of him. My dear, that is the kind of Kanu Benjamin. That is what he's coming to do. He wants to stop what OT has done. He doesn't want the continuity. So I want to air it now to the viewers, to the public, that Benjamin Kanu doesn't have good intention towards the southeastern people. All this one that he say is pressing button for Kanu to come before he even stand up or before he even talk about it. People are already pressing the button. And let me tell you, they are not releasing Kanu because you press button. They are not releasing Kanu because you tell president, it's a suggestion that you are making. You are not talking.
So you
because,
feel that,
listen to me.
You feel that he's doing eye service?
Yes, that's what he's doing.
So that people will like him before
people will
election.
kind of see him as somebody that have interest. We do not have any interest for the Biafrans. We have been following him up. Which positive impact has he played? Was he not there when one of the chiefs in the first act say if Nigeria could not secure the Igbo's goods in Lagos State, that he will go and bring IPOB people to come and secure our properties in Lagos? What happened? Lagos State government sent police, they go and arrest that man. Benjamin, what did you do? And what did you say about that? Did the man say anything above himself? Because he's an Igbo man. But this man called MC Oluomo did so many things here in Lagos, say so many things against the Igbos. What happened to him? Nothing. The one of the Obas before say Igbos should be thrown in Lagoon. What happened to him? Nothing. But this one is an Igbo. What did you say? You have been in the house. What did you say? Nothing. Now you are coming because you see Kanu as the public figure, the person that people love, man of the people. You want to use him to a kind of to gain favor. Baba, we know your type. We know your type. We know the angle you are coming from. Maybe they want to use you just the same way they are using Hope of them against Igbo people. That is how they want to use you against the Aba people, Abia State. Baba, Okwalagi, you no go work. You no go work.
Okay.
It's not in the standard of the caliber of Nnamdi Kanu. Let me tell you, if Kanu should be released today, not because of Benjamin Kalu. If Nnamdi Kanu is being released today, let me tell you, its reason, number one, is Trump winning election and Trump coming into power come 2025 in the month of January. That is the fear. You understand? The veteran American US military veteran have already sent a message, as I read to Nigeria, that they should free that man before December 25. Men are speaking. Benjamin Kalu should quiet. Listen and listen good. Somebody, one of the PM, the prime minister, current sitting prime minister in the Russia, have said something. That the UN should go back to their what? All these are men that are speaking from outside, that is making Nigeria to kind of look into the atrocities they have been committing against the Igbos and what they have committed against Nnamdi Kanu. Because kidnapping is a criminal case. In international law, it's a heavy crime. Kidnapping is a heavy crime which Nigeria has committed against humanity, and that humanity is Nnamdi Kanu.
Okay, but we've heard that they've not been in contact between Nnamdi Kanu and his lawyer for some time now. They're like, I think some are accusing the wife, some are accusing the family, some are saying, you know, they've categorically, you know, block, you know, their access, that they've not even been recent you know, meetings between both camps. Why do you think do you think that this is true? Because they want to just abandon him and, like, you know, because and at the same time, this is the same Kalu also, you know, was already talking as against, you know, and then bringing some Ekpa, you know, extraditing Ekpa. They say this kind of this that they don't mean well for the Biafrans, that is just, you know, talking out of.
Excuse me, I've said this thing before. Who is Benjamin Kalu? Is not in the platform. Benjamin Kalu is not in the platform. So let's not talk much about him, because he's trying to appear relevant while he's not. You understand me? So it's not today that they stop the family of Nnamdi Kanu and lawyers not to see him. It's not the first time, and it's not a news. You understand me? Listen and listen good. They are afraid of Nnamdi Kanu. If you don't know, because they don't know what is in his mind when he comes out. The step to take about Nigeria or against Nigeria and concerning Nigeria. And any step he takes, you understand me? Nigeria cannot withstand it internationally, globally. Nigeria cannot withstand it. They are afraid of him because they knew it, that even in the court of, I don't know if you have watched him in the court of law. Whenever he appears in the court, he speaks confidently. He has that boldness. He has he has the confidence to speak. He has the boldness to speak. He has everything. Not, you understand me? Not to be allowed himself to be intimidated. You understand? He doesn't give concept to any intimidation coming his way. You understand? He's not scared of it. He's not afraid of it. He speaks confidently. And with that, despite all the conditions, the marginalization, the intimidation, everything that they have given to him, yet he still stood on his ground without shaking. That's why they know that if they should free him, they don't know the step. They are afraid of him, not to Benjamin Kanu. The people that are supposed to be talking when Nnamdi Kanu is talking, people like Netanyahu, people like Donald Trump, are you getting it? People like Putin. These are the class of Nnamdi Kanu. If you don't know, Nnamdi Kanu remained the only person who faced the strongest woman ever on earth, one-on-one, and tell her word before she died. And nothing happens to him up till now. And that person I'm talking about, the world is aware of it. They know what I'm saying. And that person is a person of late Queen of England. Nnamdi Kanu talk to her. Can Benjamin Kalu do that? Can president do that? Can governors, any governor do that? But he stood before the woman and tell the woman the truth that she need to hear, that God wants him to tell her before she died. And up to date, without fear, is it in Nigeria here that he will become afraid? It's not. That is why he have that confidence. With that confidence in him, it's a fear and a threat to Nigeria.
Okay, but the Igbos, in American veterans, they also said that they come out and say that there's a specific governor aiming to become the vice president in 2027.
That's Hope's or them man.
We don't know, but they didn't mention the name. They said one of them, is blocking the release of Nnamdi Kanu. But they are showing the person that this will not truncate your 2027 ambition, that you should stop blocking the release. So why are you suspect?
Excuse me, that is Hope's or them man. Remember, before election, his second tenure election, he said that he told federal government that they should hold Nnamdi Kanu first, let the election hold first. After the election, then they will talk of they will free him. You understand? So Hope Uzodinma is not hiding it. It's something that everybody knows. It's in that place. You understand me? But it's quite unfortunate for him that whether there or not, Nnamdi Kanu is going to be released. If you like, let him block. If you like, let him add the ice block or rock a block. It will not stop the freedom of our leader, Nnamdi Kanu. One day, there's something that he said, September 24th. He said that he had been there for like 4 years. He said the 50 years will not kill him. And he will not die. And he must not die. That is the truth. Nothing must happen to him. Nothing must happen to Nnamdi Kanu. Nothing must happen to him. He must not die. And nothing must happen to him. He will definitely come out alive. She has never and she will never, because the spirit of her husband still lives in her. Because she herself was one of the people that is pressing the button of Nnamdi Kanu's release. She has never participated in any petition. All that they are saying is false. God bless you, my esteemed viewers. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, wherever you are watching us from. I remember my humble self, Evangelist Benjamin Johnson Esesnachi, the Biafran evangelist that speak always speak the truth and nothing but the truth. And I am here to say this. I want to tell every Biafran this. Please, and please, Ojukwu wife, Bianca, never be part of what Asari Dokubo was accusing her of. She has never. Remember, the purpose of her appointment was to stop the convention in Finland, which she herself turned her back. She turned Nigeria down. How now do you think she will now become part of the people to petition against the same person? It's not possible. She has never, and she will never, because the spirit of her husband still lives in her. Because she herself was one of the people that is pressing the button of Nnamdikanu's release. She has never participated in any petition. All that they are saying is false. All they are saying against her was false. Do not believe on what Asari Dokubo is. Asari Dokubo's statement is this what you are believing? A man unstable, a man that don't really know where he comes from, a man that don't know where he stands, a man that say he stand for Tinubu, who kick against Nnamdikanu, who kick against, excuse me, who kick against Simon Ekpan, who kick against himself of being an Igbo, coming back again and accepting being Igbo. Is it the person you are following his word? A man that said that he supported Bola Ahmed Tinubu, our president, Nigerian president. He supported him during the campaign, which he called Obi many names. At the end of the day, today now, he says he's no longer in support, that is now supporting the Fulanis, the Hausas, a Confucianist. Is that the person you want to listen to? Any allegation or anything petition was done and written and documented by the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Bianca hand is not there and can never be there. Please, if there is any signature there, that means they forged it. It wasn't her signature. So you, the Biafrans, calm down. Do not believe on what you are seeing on false allegation flying on social media against that lady.
Evangelist Benjamin phone, was stolen last 2 weeks after one of our interview where he plugged it in one of the shops here in our location. They took the phone and then it was so painful. Although I don't like doing this, but fans of Nigeria, inside Nigeria News, if you have anything to support, I will be dropping his account number for you to kindly support. So we want to just get a new phone, and getting phone now, we know that is not a little money. So if you can support him, I'll be dropping his personal account number, if you want to support him. Thank you very much. Do you have anything to say?
Yes, I will gladly happy if you, as the moderator has said, I will be happy if you support. I will be happy if you encourage me the more, because this will enable me to go more, even at night, to search and do some readings and make some findings to find out the truth as evangelists of the truth, of Biafran evangelists that like speaking the truth, so that I will not come and I will not be able to know what to say or how to defend my people in the diaspora, in the social media, and all over the world. So please, I am pleading, show me that love, and God will show you love. In Jesus' name. Thank you.
But we've seen on different platforms, over on social media, some even said that she's not a full-fledged Nigerian, or a full-fledged Igbo woman. That the mother, it was when the father, went to for schooling there in UK. That was when I met the mother, a Welsh lady. That was when that she is not a full Igbo man. That's why she just want to truncate the restoration of Biafra.
Listen and listen good. The woman is not doing anything. It's not taking any negative step against Biafra. You people should know this. whether the mother come from China or Korea, it doesn't matter. What matters is whose name is she bearing? Which national narrative does she accept? That's what matters. And you know, in the Igbo land, according to culture, you understand me? The owner of children are men. So let the Biafrans take note of this. Let them not deviate from the culture. Whether the father or no travel abroad and marry a white woman, is he the first person or is he going to be the last person? No, it is a normal thing. What about the Oyibo that are marrying African here, marrying Igbo people as well? So what about that? So the work is on the ground. Let's treat it and let's face it. You people should stop making this kind of statement. It doesn't go, it doesn't sound well. It doesn't make sense. To me, it doesn't make sense because she did not claim foreigner, she claimed Biafra. She answered her father's name, married a Biafran man to the core, and she remained with that name. She has never traveled out of the country to say, I am based in America, in Korea, whatsoever. She remained in the country. Even she retained her husband, her late husband property. She still retained it. And she has never changed the name. Why are you people going on like this? Okay, probably the people coming up like this are those people that hate Biafra peace. They want to cause conflict. You know, Nigerian government is good at it. And that is what they have played in the life and in the soul, in the heart of Ngozi Nworu, Chinasa Nworu, and Emma Powerful. So Nigeria have been using them to cause conflicts among the IPOB. You know, dislodging and accusing the Prime Minister, saying all sorts of things. Which Emma Powerful, how many times have you visited Nnamdikanu? If you actually claim to be IPOB member, following the platform of Nnamdikanu, as you said, how many times have you visited Nnamdikanu? And coming to the wife of Nnamdikanu, I am not surprised of what she is doing or what she's saying or what is going on currently now. Are you hearing me? I am not surprised because she was not the first person to do that. The late former president of South Africa, I'm talking about Nelson Mandela, his own wife turned her back against her husband too. And his own wife happened to be one of the first women to marry 3 presidents on earth. Go and do your finding. So it's not a news. And I'm not surprised if Chichi or whatsoever is her name, Uchechi, if she herself come up to do that, to live such cynic life, I am not surprised. It's no news.
But don't forget that a name came up recently in the name of Ikenga, and they said this Ikenga was part of the people that betrayed Nnamdi Kanu, and it was part of IPOB. Calm down. Then another thing is that they said Uchechi and Ekpa, they've not been at peace. Before Ekpa was arrested, that there was no peace, between the two camps. So do you not think that Uchechi, really, and alongside, Bianca, because there was a picture trending of which both of them, they met each other recently. Do you not think that themselves, the two of them, included with their duets, do you not think they really,
Excuse me, my brother, don't cut me. Uchechi and Simon Ekpan has never been a good mood. They have never partnered before. You understand? They have never rapport before. And let me tell you, the angle you are talking about, you say DOS and the rest. Who are these DOS? They are the enemy, those ones that segregate themselves from the actual truth, from the actual agitation. What has the DOS done in the release of Nnamdikanu, both locally and internationally? Tell me. You understand? Then the king and whatsoever, the group of people that betray Nnamdikanu. You understand me? If you watch it, you see that these are the enemies of the true IPOB. Enemies of the true freedom fighters, enemies of the true Biafran agitators. You understand? And they believe and they're expecting people like Simon Ekpan to collect something from Nigeria and betray Biafran's agitation just as the way they did by betraying their master Nnamdi Kanu. You get it? So if you check this information, those that are pushing it, supporting it, or saying all this are the same asses of betrayers. So, and on this note, they themselves want to cause a kind of problem, disunity. But I am not, like I said, Ojukwu wife Bianca was innocent. But to come in to Uchechi, she's already one of those betrayers. And it's not new. And that is why I made mention of the former president of South Africa, late Nelson Mandela. You understand? So it's not a news. It's always like that. You understand? Because there are so many ladies that cannot hold themselves, keep themselves, and respect their marriage. You understand? And in this aspect, I see Uchechi as one. Even before Kanu was kidnapped, she has been cheating on her husband before that time. That is the way I see it. Because I don't see anything, any reason. Because opportunity was given to her several occasions to visit her husband. You understand? So these have been part of her. That's the way I see it. Because I've seen many women who have integrity. You understand? Who respect their marriage and who have respect for their husband. You see them, they don't care no matter how many years their husband will be in Obodo Igbo. They don't allow any man to cross them. You understand? I've seen women like that. Why? Not why. That is the principle and the policy, the respect they have for their marriage. Not why. And that is how it's supposed to be. You understand me? But this one, you know, a cheater is always a cheater. So these have given the open air for her a right. Maybe Nnamdi Kanu is stopping her for some minutes. Now she have her way, her freedom. Nobody to disturb her. So she decided to leave so widely. But it's quite unfortunate because such person with such man in such man's life. So when, although I am not the one to decide, I don't like intervening in people's marital affairs, privacy. It is a privacy thing. So when Mazi himself eventually come outside, that issue will be treated by him. And that is his own cross. It's part of the cross which I've already carried. You understand before now.